All right, since I know we're all ready, so class.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do you know what? Thank you. Be excited. Okay, you are learning today. All right, so right here. This one right here, we did this one. I said, hey, approximate these ones right here. Then I asked you guys to plug them in the calculator. So you are going to give me some answers to go along with this. So our first one, so question 4. Approximate to 4 decimal places. What do we have on question 4?
6, 7, 4, 5.
So 0.6745.
Yeah.
Okay, anyone else agree? Anyone disagree?
No one.
You disagree?
No, they didn't do that.
They didn't do that?
No.
Okay. Tan 71.
9042.
0.9042.
There's a number. It is 2. It is 2.9042. We're not gonna like this. Just like this. And I put that.
So 29? Oh! There's a 2 in front of it. I'm sorry, I did not understand you were saying that. So 29.042.
For the 6.
Big Mac, do you have your calculator out right now? Okay, it's almost like it's on your phone, but you just put your phone away thinking that you were doing something the wrong thing where you're supposed to have the phone out on the calculator, right? But you're not doing that. Okay,
1.
you have to change your settings. You have to change your settings, that's why your answers are wrong.
Can I show them? The next one is 1. Only 1.
Only 1?
Believe me. Go check this.
Okay, this right here, this is rat. Rat is that.
Oh no, it's a 1.6. It's a 1.
All right, let's see. So
It's a
this
one.
one is 1,
No,
and my last one is
Mr. No, 1.619.
tan 45
Yeah,
is 1.
but there's a. Oh, I changed the degree and it's.
Ah, see? Mm-hmm. Yelling at other people about it. And my last one, tan 20.
It is a. It is 3, 6, 3, 9.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Karen, you having trouble? Is your calculator in the right mode? All right. So, Karen, sit. Sit, boy, sit.
Sit down, boy.
Sit.
No.
You guys quit playing. Now, Karen corrected us here because the next number over here is a 7, isn't it?
Yeah, I told you. It's a.
So this is going to be 3640 because the 39 rounds up to 40.
Don't jump.
¿No pensaste que te lo iba a tirar?
Okay. Use tangent ratio to find the value of x. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. Now, we need to actually go from here and actually find some of these values. So, tangent, I'm going to start by going this way. This one over here is my
X.
hypotenuse. Thank you. Hypotenuse. Right down here, this one is going to be the...
No, AB. No. GD. I don't know.
Okay, how about this? Mark this one right here.
No, I know, but it's
Okay, so down here on the bottom, this is adjacent, right? Because from my angle, this side over there is opposite. Thank you. And my last one is adjacent. Okay, label them. As you do them, label them, please. That's going to help you out all the time. So, we know that we're going to start tan. So, tangent of the angle of 65 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is going to be 29. Adjacent is going to be x. Now, we're going to try and solve for x. We're going to try and solve for x, but right now x is in the denominator. That's why I have a problem right here. X is not by itself, x is over here in the denominator. So this is what I need to do here. I need to get the x out of the denominator. No matter what I have over here on this side, I need to get rid of a fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides here by the denominator. Always multiply both sides by the denominator. That will clean out the fraction. So by doing that, my x's over here will cancel.
Oh, I remember now.
My x's will cancel by doing that. So now I'm left with x times tangent of 65 is equal to 29. We need to try and get the x by itself. So what is the tangent 65 doing to my x? What did I say that's doing? What's that dot mean? Multiply, right? How do I undo a multiplication? Division. So I'm going to divide both sides because I want to get rid of this tan 65. I only want the x by itself. So the tangent 65 will now cancel. X equals 29 over tan 65. Now I am going to pull up my handy dandy calculator.
It's 13.5295.
And since I reset my calculator, I need to make sure I change my angle back to degrees. So I should have 29 divided by tangent 65.
13.52.
There we go. And it said round to the nearest tenth. That's one decimal place.
Oh, we don't wanna.
So 13.5.
That's it.
That's what it says. So it's rounding to a tenth. So if I'm rounding to a tenth, that means I need one decimal place.
That's it.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
So guess what you guys get to try? These three right now.
Easy, mister. You don't have to do that. Just
Who doesn't have to?
put the numbers. They
Yes, you do.
don't complicate.
Okay. Just remember that when you get it wrong. look at my reference angle. Reference angle's there, so that side over there is. Okay, if your reference angle's here. Yeah, there we go. See it? Okay, it's red. Red is malo. Es bueno, es malo. Label them first.
White equation.
So, yeah, for all this right here, but since you don't wanna listen to me, you got some wrong. Okay. So remember that when you take the test and it's wrong and you're like,
But why?
and I'm gonna tell you, cause you don't wanna do the work. Do the work. Do the work, show the work, cause you screwed up. Okay?
I'm gonna.
Do it now! So you can fix your problems.
Okay, it's the same thing as yours.
Esto, mira, escriba aquí es. Mira, mira, okay. Esto, dejamos. Esto, okay. Esto. Okay, good. This is my reference angle. Opposite the reference angle is opposite, okay? This right here, good, that's the reference angle. No. The reference angle over this way is opposite. So that means that one is opposite, okay? Okay, so this first one, some people struggling on this one, deciding where the every side is. So, always start. Where the right angle is, draw an arrow from the right angle, and this is my hypotenuse. Always start there. Next one, my reference angle is going to be the other angle that I have. This is my reference angle. So when I do that one, I draw the next arrow. All the way across is the opposite. And the last side is going to be adjacent. Okay? That is, you guys, a lot of people actually messed this one up at first. So hopefully you guys went through and checked it as it came around. So right here, we're going to do tangent 15 is opposite over adjacent. So that's 10 over x. Multiply both sides by x. So x times tangent 15 is equal to 10. divided by tangent, 15. X is 10 over tan 15. And let's see what my calculator says. $37.3.
I did it. It's come right. See, it's not.
Okay, there we go. Now let's look at the next one. Next one here, I'm going to trace this one and actually do it. So 6238x. Okay. Now, from here, let's go through, label everything. We have this one is going to be my hypotenuse. My reference angle here makes that one opposite. My last one is adjacent. So, tangent 38, no, I'm sorry, 62 is 38 over x multiplied by x again. So, divide by tan. So, x equals 38 divided by tan, 62.
20.22.
20.2.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay, so 47, 79, and x. That's my hypotenuse. Opposite, and then this last one is adjacent. So, that's going to be tangent 47 is equal to 79 over x multiplied by x and then divide by tangent 47. X is 79 divided by tangent 47.
73.7.
$73.7. There we go. Let's go and finish up the last part of our notes, which is example 4. It says find the leg. Use two different tangent ratios to find the value of x to the nearest tenth. You can do it two different ways. Okay, but I'm going to try and show you how to do it the easiest way. The easiest way. So let's go ahead and set this one up. So starting off here, label. This is my hypotenuse. Here's my reference angle. And then draw my line. And so this one over here is opposite. and my last one is adjacent. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so let's write it out. So now it's going to be tangent of 58 is equal to what?
40. This X.
X over 40. So this is the one that's going to mess you up compared to the previous one that we just did. So you had to show work to show which one you're going to have, because you're going to have both. This one right here, X is not in the denominator, right? X is not in the denominator. So 40 is in the denominator. So I'm going to do the same step that I did. I'm going to get rid of my fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides here by 40. That's going to clear out my denominator. So 40 times tangent 58 equals X. So is X by itself?
No.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
X is by itself. So this is why this is different than the previous one we were doing. Because the previous one had another step at this point right here. But this one, is X by itself? Yes. If X is now by itself, I can plug that in the calculator. Can you stop that, please?
What?
That, whatever it was you were doing. Yes. Some people. Okay. 40 tangent 58. Let's plug it in.
Yeah, wait, what does it mean?
There we go. No más.
Okay.
Yeah. No más.
Okay.
Gracias. All right. So right here, my answer is going to be 60.0.
0.
Very good. 60.0. Now, I'm going to take that same thing and I'm going to change this up. Because all triangles, all angles in a triangle add up to what?
180.
Very good. Adds up to 180. This one right here is 90, right? This one right here is 58, right? So could I do 180 minus 90 minus 58 to get my last one over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's it going to be?
40 plus 50 plus.
32. Very good. This one over here is 32. Okay? Now, in trigonometry, we refer to this as the cofunction. Okay? This is a cofunction. It's the same triangle, but I am now going to look at it from a different angle. So, if I were to do that, I'm just going to redraw the triangle. I'm going to say this one is 32. Over here is 40. Down here is my hypotenuse, and over here is my x. So now I'm disregarding the 58 in this one. So I'm looking at it from the cofunction. The other angle, the other angle is now my reference angle. So I got the right angle. That side is now my hypotenuse. There's my hypotenuse. If this is my reference angle here, across is now my opposite, right? There's the opposite, and my last one is adjacent. So now I could do it from the other angle, the other reference angle, and so I could say tangent of 32 is equal to opposite, which is 40, over x. I could do this one exactly like I did with the previous example. I'll get the same answer.
Yeah?
Yeah, you'll get the same answer. It's called the cofunction. So both of them together will give you the cofunction. So out of doing both of these right here, which one was the easier to try and do?
12.
Right here?
No, 12.
Both of them?
Both.
Oh, okay. So this one right here is supposed to be the easier one. So sometimes, because there's one less step in the math, that you could actually get away with actually using the cofunction instead to get the same answer. Okay? All right, so I'm not going to have you do both of them, but don't worry about writing the two equations, just do one. Okay, find the value of x to the nearest tenth. Good work, Big Mac. 64.0?
No ponga que para poner el book. Si lo va a hacer, güey. Ya nos vamos a la chingada.
Faltan 8 minutos.
Did I do it wrong?
Yes.
Cacahuate.
You did the step wrong.
Did I do it wrong?
Yes.
Hey, ponemos el book and luego el
Oh, 64.0, and you told me 60.
No, I said 64.
Why did he tell me 60?
I said 64.
Oh my goodness.
Ay, cacahuate.
Ah.
Hey, we should go off the board.
You want to go up to the board for this next one?
Yeah, like cacahuate do it.
No,
Okay.
no. I didn't do that. I wanna.
Forget it wrong, make them go up.
Okay, he's going to do number 11 for us.
Now cacahuate
I
go
wanna.
up.
I didn't do that. I wanna see yours. And then
Uh-huh, yeah.
I don't wanna do it.
You better get to work.
Cacahuate is
Uh-huh,
yeah,
I
down.
don't do that.
Pues bomba,
Yeah.
Oh,
right,
yeah,
right,
bomba,
right.
bomba.
bomba. Circular. You guys done already?
Hey, Galeo.
Okay, 40.
Come on. You know how to do it. Keep going.
Oh.
No, está el bomba y el dedo, güey.
Sí, güey.
También no, güey.
Calculadora.
No, mira, el bomba.
Cacahuate.
Get to work.
Hey. Joseph. Ay, Gerardo.
Get to work.
Bien escondido estaba.
Don't look at him. Get to work. You, get to work.
Ponte a trabajar, pinche guapo.
I'm gonna-
Hey. Now. You start hitting people with a stick. Maybe that'll help. Right now. Would that help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you walked in late. I'm sorry.
Lo pegar con una piñata, güey.
No se va a quebrar porque el agua no del Target. Te vamos a poner McDonald's.
Scooch. All right, there you go. I didn't even see you sneak in like a ninja.
Vamos a pegar el sándwich que
Vamos a cenar chicken nuggets. Te llenamos de chicken nuggets, güey.
That looks fine. Keep going. How we doing? Okay.
Joseph, ¿cuánto agarraste, güey?
La verdad no lo estoy haciendo.
No mames, loco. Yo agarré negativo 45. No sé de dónde, güey. Cacahuate. Voy a chucar.
Yeah.
Ok, puto, pase primero entonces.
Que paso? porque no trabajando en este papel?
No,
What for dinner run?
we get on.
¿Por qué? Ah, no hablo inglés.
I got 560.
A la verga.
Get to work, fool. Come on.
I got 64.
Hey, what you got?
What do you got in the number?
Hey, Cacahuate, what you got?
I got 64.
Number one.
Put it in your calculator, which is on your phone, which you just put away.
I
Go
got
to
negative
guilty
45.
conscience or something.
Pinche
Check
cacahuate.
what the right
What
thing.
you got?
Mhm.
I got 6
I got 30.
Uh-huh, yeah.
30? I got negative 40.
Negative 40.
See?
Negativo es no bueno.
That you can't get negative.
Pues agarra el negative, baboso.
There's negative, you're down.
I got negative
Dame.
44.
He's not my friend. He's my brother. He's my cousin. He's my primo.
Okay. Es radio.
Oh,
Radio. Radio es malo.
que la... Entonces, ¿cuál le pongo, mister? Which one?
Pongo
Which one?
es y más.
Yo me la abuela va a salir.
Radios.
We're about to leave.
Mucho bueno. All right, so let's see.
3 minutes.
Let me see. I'm gonna do a little math right here. So we're gonna get this one's ended up gonna be
Kakarot, what you get?
40 tan. Nope, it's not 40 tan. Yeah, so tan of 40 equals x over 18. So x is a boot.
Yes.
What'd you get?
9.
15.1?
Yeah.
Okay. This one is going to be tan. 59 is
7.
84 over x. X is a boot.
1.5.
What is it?
1.5.
50.
50.5.
50.5.
51.5.
No, no one.
51.5.
15.
No.
51. You said 51.5.
51.5.
50.5.
Thank you. 50.
Que la...
51.5.
There you go.
15.
Bueno?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Last one here. So tan
No escuché 15 era
70 equals x over 3. X is going to be about.
8.2.
You guys agree?
No.
Yeah.
No,
Is that an 8?
because that guy is sitting here, huh?
Is that an 8?
Yeah, it's an 8.
Look like...
I know. It looks like Joseph right there. Okay. All right, with that hat. Make sure you guys all like, share, and subscribe.